Okay, for whoever is here, I think we can start. Uh, of what you were given last time, this was the class hour two. Are there any new students today in this class? First class யாரான் இருக்கீங்களா?
Sir, Naida, sir.
Okay, I'll talk about the classes later to you guys. இப்போதைக்கு I just want to give a feedback to the other students. After that, I'll tell you how to go about doing these classes. சரியா?
Yeah, okay, okay, sir.
Okay. So for students who have already there last week, unit 1 hour 2 is what we did. Now I just want to know, I just want to give you feedback. First of all, unit 1 hour 1 itself, many students haven't finished. For example, Sugumar, Idris Ahmad. See, I'm telling you, see, even if you lose out one question in a quiz, it shows as incomplete. So you need to finish all the questions, ma. So whatever videos are there, whatever quizzes are there, please make sure you finish them. Otherwise, it will show incomplete for you in your modal. Okay. See, this guy also, Venkat Papaya, this guy also 0%. See, they have taken 4 attempts. For example, Satish Kumar Reddy. Are you there? Satish Kumar? Not here. See, this guy has attempted the quiz 4 times over here. See, but still it shows 0% because he's not finished all the questions. That's the problem. Okay. But many of you have finished. I'm happy with whoever has finished. This is for hour 1 itself. For hour 2, yeah, hour 2, I think since it was a quiz, many people have done. But again, I can see only a few people who have taken up the quiz itself. Hmm. Because here I cannot see all the entries. Whoever has not done, please make sure you finish this month. Okay. Same thing applies with the weekend quiz, that is weekend assignment. First assignment, I can see only 29 of you have submitted out of 57. There may be a lot of new entries, but those who are already there, please make sure you don't leave. You don't leave any of these things. Same thing over here. This is our one test 2, which I gave the week before last. Yeah, this many of you have finished. All simple only. I only give 5 questions. So for your good only, for your practice. So please make sure that you finish these. Okay, now for 1 second. For next week we'll have a Moodle class. That is, we'll have resume writing. So you'll have 2 videos and 2 quizzes. This will be enabled only next Monday. Okay, just for your information. And then any other doubts or questions, old students? Hello.
No, sir, nothing.
Okay. How was Capgemini webinar?
Same. It's going good, sir.
It's still going on now.
Yes, sir. Today we had verbal classes.
No, no, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the webinar they gave in the beginning last week.
Yeah, that was, yes, sir, yes, sir. That was
I think
fine.
the pattern has changed and you have verbal section MCQ questions are there. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
for aptitude also, I think it is going to be game-based aptitude questions.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
okay, great. Fine. Who is this? Gautam has mentioned no. What do you mean by no, Gautam? Can you speak to me?
Not joined in that.
Not joined?
Not joined in that one, sir. Rapid menu.
Why didn't you join?
Uh,
No, we are not conducting it. Placement, Gandhi sir is conducting it. So you need to contact Sashi or Gandhi sir.
Sir, not interested, sir.
Not interested, then fine. Then I can't do anything about it. Okay. So, okay, fine. Okay, let's get to. Okay, so other students have. Do you have any other doubts or questions? If you don't, then I'll address the new students who have joined today.
You can go on, sir.
Okay, thank you. New students, how many are there? First time you're attending the class today?
I am, sir.
Praveen, Raj, anyone else?
Mister,
Puneet.
I
Okay,
am Kumar, sir.
okay. Lena. Okay. Now what you need to
Dina.
do is, okay, whoever is there, no problem. See, I think some of you have issues with Cameo. I have spoken to Mr. Joel in the ERP department. So I think they will sort it out by tomorrow. Please ask your class advisor also to follow up with him because it is not my job, first of all, even though I have done it. Because unless you guys would have called me, I have no idea who the students are who are supposed to transfer to
Excuse
me.
me, sir.
Yeah.
The website of my camera is working, sir. Only app is not working.
No, Cameo app has been rectified now. You can check
Yes,
it.
sir. They are telling that we have to update it in Google Play Store.
Yeah.
Even updated also
No, no,
not working.
it has just been solved. I just got a message in ERP group. So I think after you finish this session, you can check it. But if you still have issues, no, no, see the updation of, see, the Cameo had some issue, man. That is different. Okay. Even if you log in now, I don't think your names would be there in this particular session. If you are a new student, I think you need to speak to your class advisor and get it done tomorrow. Okay, they said they would update it only tomorrow. Anyway, don't worry, I'll be marking your attendance in my Google form today. We mark attendance in Cameo only on Saturdays. You understand?
Okay, sir.
And it reflects on Sunday. Okay, so don't worry, I'm going to send you a Google form right now in WhatsApp. Um, one second. Okay, so I send this form every week, ma. Okay, please fill this immediately. Okay, so please fill this immediately so that I have track of who has attended this class. See how I put attendances? First I look at this, then I look at the quizzes and the um, weekend assignments that you have done, and after that I put attendance in Cameo. Okay, so those of you who have joined today, what you need to do is, so far we have done only this. Okay, these two. If you can see my screen, Unit 1 hour 1 and Unit 1 hour 2. Okay,
Yes, sir.
how the classes go on. See, this is the fifth week. First week was only an introduction, so forget the introduction class. Okay, so the week after that was a Moodle class of this. So if you click on this, you will have 3 videos and 3 quizzes. Okay, similarly, after that we had a feedback class. After the feedback class, we did this Unit 1 hour 2. After that, today is the fourth class, that is the feedback class for Unit 1 hour 2. So alternate weeks we have Moodle classes and alternate weeks we have feedback classes. Okay, that's how the classes go on. If you guys have any doubts regarding the questions or uh, that are given in the videos or the quizzes, then we clarify them during these classes. So this is what we do during these classes. Okay, and every weekend I give a test or an assignment. So these are the assignments. You need to do these 3. So if you have not done any of these so far, please go ahead and do these assignments and lessons. Okay, that's all we have done so far. So I don't think you have missed too much. So you can take another week. By next Monday, if you're able to complete all these, it would be great. Am I clear?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Any other questions or doubts you have, you can ask me. Otherwise, we can wind up for today.
So what about weekly tests? Is there any weekly tests?
Yes, that is what I told you. Yeah. Can you see these weekend assignments?
Yes,
There'll be only 5 questions in each of these assignments. Okay, please go ahead and do those.
online. It is written by online, or we have to handwritten notes.
See, for example, this is a quiz. If you click
Okay,
on
okay,
this, it
quiz.
is a
Okay,
quiz. It's a 5 questions
so
MCQ. So just answer those questions. Finished.
okay, sir.
Okay, very simple.
Thank you.
We are not complicating a lot of things for you. We're trying to make it as simple as possible. So,
Okay, sir.
hmm. Anything else?
No,
Great. Then please fill that Google form for today's attendance. That's all I want from you for today. Otherwise, I think we can